everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. Today will be a tutorial on how to do this halo eye with the Anastasia Norvina palette, and I just did the eye makeup today, so I will be putting everything else that I use on the rest of my face in the description, but keep watching to see how I do this eyeshadow look. I'm just going to start with a little bit of my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 120, and I'm going to take this beauty blender. I don't know what brand this is, but I use it for all my foundation and concealer. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of concealer on. I already have a little bit on, but it was a little transparent, so I'm gonna add a little more. I also already have my brows on, but I filmed a video of just a brow tutorial, so I'll put that up in later videos, but it just takes a little while, and I'm trying to make my videos a little shorter for you guys, so I will have a video up about how I do my brows in I don't know when. But today we're going to use the Norvina palette. It looks like this. It's Anastasia, and mine is a little broken, as you can see, so I don't really have any of that summer shade, but I still, like, these two are broken. I dropped it off a countertop when I was in California and it broke. Then it was like my first time using it, but I think we're going to do a halo eye today. I'm going to take my Tarte Unicorn brush and I'm going to dip into a little bit of eccentric right there, and I'm going to blend that into my crease. And as always, I'm going to take my Anastasia brush and blend that out too. And then on a little bit of a smaller fluffy brush, I'm going to take the shade Incense right here, and I'm going to put that a little bit lower into my crease, but not too low. And this is just an Urban Decay brush. I think it came with one of my Naked palettes. And I'm going to use this end right here. Now I'm going to take this Luxie 207T little travel size brush. It's kind of an angled fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into Volatile, I think that's how you say it, right here, and I'm going to put that on my outer corner and on my inner corner and just blend it into my crease just a tiny bit. As you can see, I left a little bit of just plain concealer open in the center when I blended into my crease and in my inner corner and outer corner. So I'm going to take a little bit of Dreamer on my finger and pat it into that spot towards the center. like that, and we're gonna blend it out, so don't worry. So now that we have Dreamer on, I'm just gonna take this a little bit and blend it into my crease, but not too much. And then I'm gonna take a different finger and I'm gonna go into Dazzling, and I'm just gonna blend that a tiny, tiny bit right where the matte shade meets the shimmer shade. And now I'm going to go back in with that same little travel size angled fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into Violette a little bit just to darken up my outer corners and inner corners now that they have some sparkle on them. Okay, so now that I'm done with the rest of my makeup, I'm going to take my Luxie 141 mini round brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of incense and put that on my lower lash line. Next, I'm just going to take this little random brush that I have. It's a flat brush and it's a little round on the end, and I'm going to go into Dreamer and put that on my inner corners. I'm going to bring it a little bit up to my eyelid. Also a little bit on my lower lash line. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like this halo eye look. The next video that I'll be posting will be a video with the Carly Bible palette, so I'm going to be doing a neutral one for that. And then after that, I think I'm going to start doing colored looks. So let me know what colors you like to see and what else you want to see neutral wise, or what other tutorials you want to see. Thank you so much for watching. Hi everyone, today will be